I really enjoy spending time with you.
I feel the same way.
You make my day brighter whenever I see you.
You always bring a smile to my face too.
I can't help but think about you all the time.
That's so sweet. I've been thinking about you too.
You're incredibly special to me.
You mean a lot to me too.
I admire your intelligence and wit.
Thank you, I appreciate that.
I love how we can talk about anything.
Me too, it's so easy to talk to you.
You have such a captivating smile.
Thank you, you always make me smile.
I feel a strong connection when we're together.
I feel it too, it's like we're on the same wavelength.
You're the most interesting person I know.
That's such a nice thing to say.
You light up the room with your presence.
You're too kind, you make me feel special.
I cherish every moment we spend together.
Those moments mean a lot to me too.
You're always on my mind.
I've been thinking about you too.
I feel so comfortable around you.
I'm glad you do, I feel the same way.
You're incredibly beautiful, inside and out.
You're making me blush, thank you.
I value our friendship, and I'd like to get to know you better.
I'd like that too.
You're such a kind and caring person.
I try my best, and you bring out the best in me.
I have a great time when we hang out.
Me too, we should do it more often.
I'm really lucky to have you in my life.
I feel the same way about you.
I can't imagine my life without you in it.
That's so sweet, I can't either.
I've developed feelings for you, and I wanted you to know.
I've been hoping you'd say that. I appreciate your honesty, and I need some time to think about it.
You bring out the best version of myself.
That's one of the things I love about you too.
My day is incomplete without hearing your voice.
I always look forward to talking to you as well.
You inspire me to be a better person.
I'm touched that I can have such a positive impact on you.
I've been keeping a little secret. I have a crush on you.
Really? I've been wondering when you'd say that. I like you too.
You make my heart race every time I see you.
You have no idea how fast my heart races when I see you too.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel.